Hello and welcome to the video blog in 60 seconds. Today's topic is Siluet, our new kitchen sink. Siluet's appeal is in its winning combination of sensuous style and delicate aesthetics. The supporting rim is extremely thin, and the corners have very narrow radii, and the inside of the sink features striking straight lines. Siluet sinks are suitable for both worktop mounted and flush fitting installations, giving maximum design freedom to your customers. All the sinks in the Siluet collection are made from TitanCeram. This new ceramic material allows for delicate designs with outstanding stability. The surface is both heat and impact resistant, and so robust that even knives hardly leave a trace. A wide selection of accessories expands Siluet's range of uses. For example, there's a matching cutting board made from solid walnut, or gastronomy norm steamer trays, which fit precisely into the smaller sink. All in all, Siluet makes a very practical addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune into our next episode. See you next time.